Hello guys, this is Warren from Warren and the Twins, and today we're evolving Cameraman Cat. So, it turns out, I already have the necessary materials and the XP. So, I'm super excited because I've heard Cameraman Cat is the best rare. So let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. And evolve. This video isn't just going to be this. I'm also going to test him out. So, here, we're going to test him out on the moon. And then her out, obviously. So what I'm just going to really quickly do is create a loadout while Warren voiceover explains on screen. Well, thank you, Warren. Today I'm going to be talking about Cameraman Cat. From Commando Cat, the HP increases from 6,460 to 9,690. The range increases from 190 to 250. Damage stays the same. Speed goes from 4 to 6. The DPS goes down by 20 because the TBA goes down by 0.03 seconds. Goes up. The animation goes from 0.83 to 0.87, and the single target becomes an area target. Okay, Warren, that was very, very eventful. Now we will put our friend, Cameraman Cat, into the loadout. This will be very exciting. Okay. Let's see if Cameraman can solo Chapter 1 Moon. That was ridiculous. Did you see how fast the face got killed? That was absolutely ridiculous. Cameraman Cat is OP. We all love Cameraman Cat. And so, the video comes to an end. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.